Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you and your family members are well. Alhamdulillah, I am also same. From Milestone Preparatory KG School, Class 4, Sector 7, Uttara, Dhaka. I, Shahrina Hussain, will conduct the today's online class, Bangladesh and Global Studies. My dear students, before starting class, please take your BGST book. Without book, it is difficult for you to understand the lesson. Today, I have chosen chapter 4. This is our revision chapter in the final term. We already had done this chapter in our first term. Topic is the rights of citizen. Do you know? This chapter is very important because it's only not important for our study. It's also important for our daily life. Because as a good citizen, we should know what is my right, what is others' right. Am I right? Okay. Before starting today's regular lesson, I want to ask some previous lesson. Are you ready for that? Okay. Can you tell me how many rights are there? Yes, you are right. There are 3 rights. What they are? Yes, your answer is right. At first, social right, political right, and the economic right. Can you tell me one of the examples of every right? Yes, the rights of education. This is the social right. The right to freedom of expression. This one is political right. And last one, economic right, is the right to work. Okay. Now come to our regular lesson. I already understand you read the whole chapter properly. So now let's come.
Welcome to Milestone Preparatory KG School. Now I will take Bangladesh and Global Studies class from Class 4 English version. You already know my topic is the rights of citizen. Page 18 to 23. Today I will discuss sample of competency based question answer, fill in the blanks and matching. Now come to the topic. At first, competency based question answer. First question. What is called social rights? Why social rights are important? Answer. The rights which are essential for healthy and better living are known as social rights. These rights are related with our fundamental needs. In this line, essential mean important and fundamental is basic. The importance of social right is given below. A. To receive education and to lead a sound life. B. To improve our life and make it a better one. C. To speak in our own language and practice on own religion. D. To develop our relationship among all religions and groups of people. E. Above all, to build up a nice society for the nation. These are very important social rights for every citizen. Now let's come. Second question. At first question. My dear students, if you observe the question, see this question as at first this is the statement question. They are giving some statement. Then ask the question. So let's come. At first I read the question. Mamata is a garments worker. She works in a local garment factory. but her employee does not give her a fair wage. Now, what can she do if her employee is not paid a fair wage? Answer. The right to earn a living lawfully is called economic right. It is the definition of economic right. To give the worker his or her proper wage in time is called fair wage, and the right to receive fair wage is an economic right. Everyone has the right to receive fair wage for all their works. It is a political right of a citizen to take help from law if he or she does not get proper wage. So, she can take the help of law. That means Mamata can take the help of law for not getting proper wage and enjoy the economic right. By this way, Mamata can take help from the law. It is her political right, and when she is enjoying the proper wage, that means fair wage, this is her economic right. Now, another question. Number 3. What is the importance of various rights? Answer. As a citizen of a state, generally we enjoy 3 types of rights. These are social, economic and political rights. These rights help us to lead an enhanced and quality life. Enhanced means promote, improve, and quality means standard. For example, number A, social rights help us to stay alive, receive education, practice own religion, move around freely, improve our lives. B, political rights give us the opportunity to participate in governing the state, and we get the opportunity to develop ourselves as good citizens. C, economic rights gives us the opportunity to earn and fulfill the needs of our living. Now let's come the second part. That means these 3 questions are the sample of creative question answer. Now I will start to discuss next.
Have you understood the discussion of creative question answer? I hope all of you understand the lesson properly. Now I will start to discuss fill in the blanks and matching. I hope you will enjoy this, and please pay your attention when discussion is going on. Okay, dears?
Sample short question answer. First question. Number A. What does a citizen mean? How many kinds of rights does a citizen enjoy from a state? There are 2 parts of the question. Okay. So let's come. How can we write the short question answer? Answer. People who live permanently in a state, remain loyal to the state and enjoy various privileges provided by the state is called citizen. Citizens enjoy 3 kinds of right from their state. B. What is social right? What does the right to language mean? Answer. The rights which are essential for healthy and better living are known as social rights. Every ethnic group, not only ethnic group, every person can speak its own right. Every ethnic group can speak its own language. Okay? Number C. What is political right? Name 2 political rights. The rights which allow the citizens to take part in their country's government by voting or enjoying their protection is called political rights. Two political rights are the right to receive security and the right to individual freedom. Number D. What does economic right mean? Why do we need time off from our work? Answer. The right to earn a decent living is called an economic right. We need time off from our work for our physical and mental refreshment. Number E. What is election? Who can participate in election? Election is a process by which one country's citizens elect their representatives by voting. At the age of 25, citizens can participate in election. Now, sample fill in the blank. Students, observe the sentences. We are the dash of Bangladesh. Number A. We are the dash of Bangladesh. Answer is what? We are the citizens of Bangladesh. Number B. We need to go to school to improve our dash in life. Answer is that we need to go to school to improve our chances in life. C. Political rights dash you to take part in your country's government. Political rights allow you to take part in your country's government. D. The right to earn dash is called an economic right. The right to earn a decent living is called an economic right. Number E. It is fundamental right of a citizen to speak in our dash. Yes, answer is it is fundamental right of a citizen to speak in our mother tongue. Now, this is the matching. Okay, what are the matching? The left side there are some sentences and the right side the other portion. Okay, now we will match the proper sentence correctly. How can we will choose? Okay, at first I will read left side sentences. Number A. The right to freedom of expression. Number B. Economic right. Number C. Citizen can participate in election. Now I will read the answer. Okay, let's come. Yes, number A. Right side sentences are at the age of 25 political right to earn a fair wage. Answer is now the right is freedom of expression is political right. Number B. Economic right to earn a fair wage. Number C. Citizen can participate in election at the age of 25. By this way, we will match the sentences. Now feedback session. Students, take your CW copy and write the sentences at first. Then you will write answer in your copy. After finishing your writing, you will post the answer in your respective section Facebook. Okay? Let's come. At first I read number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. The dash meet these rights for all citizens. Number 2. The right to receive security is a dash right. Number 3. Everyone tries to dash comfort and possessions in order to enrich their lives. Possession mean property. Comfort mean comfortable. Number 4. Every citizen has the right to vote elections from the age of dash. Number 5. economic rights are needed to dash properly. Students, again I will tell you, collect the sentences in your CW copy and write the answer. After finishing my class, post it in your respective section group. Okay? Now let's come. Another things. Yes, now feedback of matching. We will match left side with the right side. Okay? Number A, left side, the right to religion. Number B, there are. Number C, every citizen has the right to. Now right side, time of, social right, and 3 rights. Now you will match the proper sentences correctly and submit it as like the fill in the blanks in your respective section group. Okay? Okay, dears? After collecting feedback, now collect your homework. Open your diary and write the homework. You know, this chapter is our revision chapter for the final term. We already had completed this chapter in our first term. So please revise all items as like the fill in the blanks, short question answer, broad question answer, creative question answer, and matching from chapter 4. I hope you will enjoy it. Okay?
I hope you have enjoyed the class. If you have more inquiry, please talk with your respective subject teacher. I think they will help you more. Thank you very much for your nice cooperation. Again, we will meet in another class. Up to that, I can say my class is over. Assalamu alaikum, Allah Hafiz. Wish you good luck.